This week we have managed to get our hands on these brand new Bakeey M10 TWS earphones, which have the latest Bluetooth 5.1 technology built in. Now, these particular earphones are indeed specified as having a charge time of up to 2 hours, and again a specified 5 hours music playback time. But nope, on this channel we don't simply rely on the printed text on the side of the box. No. So we will in fact be testing this out as well as many other aspects over the next few days. But for now, inside the box, placed within that standard plastic protective packaging, we have the wireless earbuds and the charge case. Underneath we have a very short micro USB charge cable, which to be honest is kind of obsolete, and I do rather wish it came with Type-C fast charging. Now we do have one set of large and one set of small silicone ear tips, and we also have a very simple how to use manual. Looking at the charge case, it's mainly made out of ABS plastic. It has a great shiny see-through magnetic lid and a splash-proof silicone seal to the front, concealing a USB port where yes, you can plug in a charge cable and charge a mobile phone on the go with that 2000 mAh battery. So yes, basically we have our own little power bank, and to charge this charge case up, there's also a micro USB charge port too. Opening up the charge case lid, you can see we've got those deep embedded earphone sockets with those dual charge pins to the bottom. I've got to be honest, that hinged lid doesn't feel too sturdy, but when both earphones are placed in, they are done magnetically and they are indeed very secure. Oh, nice digital display. So this is the new upgraded M10 charge case. It does have 3 sections to that digital display, which basically reads out "Be loud, be proud," with not only the left and right earphone battery charge indication levels, but also a central charge case percentage, along with a charge level bar too. In addition, when both earphones are placed into the charge case, they will illuminate softly in red to indicate charging, and when they're fully charged, they will illuminate in blue or then turn off. So yeah, a very clear digital display, which looks very refreshing, I must say. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the earphones. These Bakeey M10s do have quite a unique look about them. A teardrop design, gloss black in colour, with medium ear tips already fitted. They have dual microphones, and yes, we've got those dual charge ports to the rear. Now when the earbuds are took out of the charge case, those soft LED lights will begin to flash. Within 2 seconds, the right earphone will connect to the left, and they should be ready for pairing, which is rather swift using that Bluetooth 5.1 technology, simply by selecting TWS V5.1 from your device list on your mobile phone. There should be a very quick pairing request, and by selecting OK, you will now have connectivity to those earbuds with also a battery indication level displayed on your device. I will first note that the correct size ear tip fitted to the earbud is very important, not only for good fitment and comfort, but for the best possible sound seal. We have been using these for around about 2 days, and to be honest, because they are very light, they are rather comfortable. They are very secure, and you shouldn't have no worries working with these earbuds in, going for a run, or working out. That's down to that ergonomic design. When it comes to the M10's touch controls, they do have my ideal preferred layout. So they have a simple press for play, pause, call answering on either earphone. A double click on either earphone again for the previous and next track selection, with 3 single taps for the volume up and down levels. If you hold for 1 second, it should send you to your voice assistant, and if you hold for 5 seconds, it will turn the earbuds off. Initially, after I placed these earbuds within my ears for that first hour, they didn't seem too bad and quite comfortable. However, after time, over a few hours, the pressure did begin to build up, and because of that sound seal with those large ear tips fitted, it did cause the audio levels to sound inconsistent and the bass to sound too overpowered. So we did in fact listen to our own advice, and we swapped out those ear tips to the smaller ones, which in turn, we did notice a massive difference. We did tweak up the audio using our mobile phone's built-in equalizer and audio profile settings, and although still these earphones don't have the best top-notch audio quality, I will say that it is noticeably better after fitting the correct ear tips for my ears. Nevertheless, the sound quality overall, when it comes to the treble, it doesn't actually pack a punch. The high tones are however not too bad. The volume level is a bit too over the top at times, a bit too loud, But again, when it comes to the mids, it's not packing much of a punch. With the low tones that sound again a bit too high, so quite a mixed match of audio levels, which in turn only gets a 6 out of 10 for the audio quality. Now it's not all bad, the Bluetooth connectivity is very good, great stability reaching almost 32 feet before that transmission cut off. You can wear them within different environments too, such as rain, thanks to that IPX7 waterproof protection, so you can in fact shower or even bath with these in without worry of them malfunctioning. If you want, you can share the music too, so you can use these earbuds binaural or singular. And when it comes to conversations, the voice quality is nice and clear using that CVC 8.0 technology. I did personally get 4 hours 20 minutes using these earphones with 100% volume being used. But again, with that 2000 mAh charge case, I did give these earbuds a quick boost for only 20 minutes to continue playing music for just over an hour. Yep, certainly a chunky charge case, slightly bulky, but if you're wanting a small power bank with earbuds and a full digital display, which by the way guys, you can see that digital display through the top of the lid, then you should obviously expect it to be quite bulky when sitting in your pocket. So in whole, for just over £11, that's around 15 in US dollars, we are simply going to give these Bakeey M10s today a 6 out of 10 for audio, an 8 out of 10 for build quality, a 9 out of 10 for comfort, and an overall rating of just 6 out of 10, placing them within the budget range category. Now as usual guys, I will leave a provided link in the video description down below. You can go and check these M10s out for yourself, but if you do like what you see, well why not go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, please make sure to smash the like on this video today, very much appreciate it. And as usual, please subscribe to this channel, as well as hitting yes that all important bell notification option, so you guys stay updated upon all my new uploads. Now I hope to be doing a few more reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for them. But as usual, I hope you all stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!